Hey, welcome. I'm glad you're here to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. If you're watching this, it's most likely because you saw my first video and clicked over to this one on 3 easy chords for beginner songs. And that's what we're going to learn today. One of the most popular chord progressions. And I'm going to show you this song by Little Big Town, Pontoon, using the A, D, and E major chords. And that's coming up. If this is your first time here, have a look around, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing for more guitar tips and tricks. Now let me show you. The chords we're going to be using this are A, D, and E. Now I'm going to show you, if you're a beginner, how to strum this and the chord progression. Then I'll show you how you can make it syncopated to jazz it up a little bit, and then also if you want to play some bass notes in there, because if you're playing by yourself without a band, you might want to play the bass line also. So stay tuned and we'll get to that. But first, let me show you what we're going to be playing. Well, first, the strumming is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. And the song starts out with the A. I got to jump into the water. So we've got 2 bars of A, and then it goes to D. Back to A. Back to D. Back to A. Then we've got the chorus. D, A, and then it goes to E. And then it just stops on the A. And then we've got hang in there, I'm going to show you that too. By the way, if you'd like to get the tab for this, I've got it. Check the first link in the description for that. It's over on my Patreon page. So to syncopate it, you can down, down, up, and then chop the strings. So it's down, down, up. Down, down, up, and then chop the strings. Now, like I said, if you're playing by yourself and you want to play the bass line, it just spruces it up. Like on the chorus. So to do the bass line on that, it's open A twice, second fret of the A, fourth fret of the A. Then it goes to the D. When you go to the D, you're going to pick the open D string, 4th string, and then start strumming the D chord. So to do that, once you get back to the A, open A, 4, 2 on the E, open E string, I'm out here in the open, ooh, motorboating. Alright, at the beginning of the song you can hear. Play it on an electric guitar, but if you want to put it in there, it's entirely up to you. Now you'll know how. So start on a high E string at the 5th fret. And then we're stretching way over here over to the 8th fret. You want to kind of push your pinky up. And you're picking up picks. Put some vibrato on the 1st string. So you can do that 3 times. And then we're still on the 5th fret of the B string now. And then after picking that, pick the 7th fret of the B string. 5th fret of the E string. 8th fret of the E string. Back to the 5th fret of the E string. And then it goes right into the A. So if you're going to do that, you got to wait until you get really good at verse and chorus. If you like this kind of lesson, can you give it a thumbs up? And don't forget to watch the next one.